Hey goodies, Nastassja here, also known as Keto Jamaican Girl. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, please go ahead and click that subscribe button. On this channel, I'm sharing my keto tips, keto tricks, and delicious keto recipes full of flavor. Now, I am headed into Sam's. Today is another busy day of running errands, and it's keto related because I'm picking up a lot of keto groceries, but I figured on these busy days, let me bring you guys along to get some of my background living in terms of my keto lifestyle. So I'm heading into Sam's. If I pick up anything different than I did in my last Sam's Keto Grocery Haul, I'll bring you guys in, but I don't want to give you guys repeat footage, so I'll see you guys when I get back out of Sam's, or if I see anything different keto wise. So I said I was going to come back if I saw something different than what I got on my last grocery haul. So I'm going to get a pack of these extreme wellness tortillas, and you see here that the net carbs are 4 grams and the price is pretty good, so I'm getting this in addition to the stuff that I got. I was walking by and I saw some snapper, so I'm gonna get some red snapper and make it for my husband. He loves fresh fish. So I'm heading to the cash register, so I just want to show you guys what I picked up. So of course, I told you guys I got these extreme wellness wraps that are only 4 gram net carbs each. I also got some fresh snapper. This is it wrapped, fresh red snapper. I also got some aged chop kit. I'm gonna leave the croutons out, but apart from that, this tastes really good. I also got some coleslaw, fresh cauliflower, some raw chicken, and then the pre-cooked chicken, and then I got the romaine lettuce. I also got a pack of eggs, blueberries, and fresh raw shrimp, and I think that's about it. So I finished up in Sam's and I'm heading now on our next stop. We're going to Walmart, and I'm definitely going to take you guys into Walmart with me because I don't think I've done a keto Walmart grocery haul. Crazy, because I've done several grocery hauls, but I don't think I've taken you actually into Walmart with me. So if people aren't looking at me weird, I'll do it. I'll take you guys in with me, keeping my mask on, so I'm going to be sounding a little fuzzy, but yeah, let's go to Walmart and get some groceries. So I'm starting with my veggies, and I'm gonna pick up some bok choy. I haven't had bok choy in a while, so I'm gonna pick up a small bundle of these because whenever I buy the big ones, I don't use all of them. So I'm gonna get a small bundle, and I probably make like a little stir fry with them. I bought the fresh fish for my husband, so I think I'm going to get some okra okra. I don't know how to pronounce okra to go with the fresh fish. And if I see the frozen one, I'm actually gonna get the frozen one because I don't know when I'm gonna make it. But I'm gonna pick this up for now. I also need some avocados, so I'm gonna pick up maybe 2 bags of these, the small ones for my husband. And I'm also going to pick up a nice big one. I'm gonna fill these up and pick a nice big one for myself. I've been telling myself that I want to make some pickled red onions, and I keep buying the bags and not making them. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a bag and put it on my schedule. I'm literally gonna schedule it in for me to make them because I love having pickled red onions on my sandwiches, so I need to get that done. I've been thinking of doing meatless Mondays, and seeing that they have almond cheese here that actually melts and tastes good, I'm more convinced that I can do it. What do you guys think? Tell me what you guys think in the comments below about me doing keto meatless Mondays, because you guys know I love my veggies, and taking a break from meat is something that I like to do every now and again. So tell me what you guys think about me doing a keto meatless Monday. I haven't had spaghetti squash in a while, and the kids love this. Like Junior, he calls these noodles. Like he really thinks it's real noodles, and I get so excited when I trick them. So I need to get another one of these. I need some tomatoes. You guys know I like to add my tomatoes for freshness. So I'm gonna pick up a couple of these to last me for the week. I just want to show you guys why club membership is so important, because I just paid, what was it, $3.98 or about $4 for a 2-pack of these extreme wellness wraps, right? This is the spinach and herb, and I think I got the regular one. But just one of these is $3.28, and I just paid $4 and change at Sam's for a double pack of these. I actually want to try the spinach one. But yeah, this is pretty cool. Okay, so they have the frozen okra here, and that can last longer for me, and I can use it for more than one meal. So I'm going to pick up the fresh okra that I got, and I'm going to pick up maybe 1 or 2 packs of the frozen okra. And it's been said that when you buy your vegetables frozen, that you get more nutrients out of it because it hasn't been sitting long on the truck and all that. It's flash frozen, so it preserves the nutrients. That's what I heard. That's word on the street. I don't know if it's so true. So I went ahead and got the cut up one and the whole one, and I think I'm going to use the whole one with the fish and the cut up one with some fritters, because I have a friend, ATAP Health and Wellness. I'm going to tag her below. You guys go and check out her YouTube page and her Instagram. She has a lot of healthy vegan recipes, and she inspired me to do some fritters with okra in it. So I'll let you guys know how that goes. You guys know I like using my pickled jalapenos on my salad, so I'm going to pick up another jar of these. I wanted to stock back up on my no sugar added barbecue sauce, and they're gone. They're all sold out. They're gone. So I'm going to try to order it online. But yeah, they cleaned them out. Has anybody tried this sugar-free ketchup? I'm curious about it, but I don't think I use ketchup enough to want to buy it. But if you've tried it before, please let me know how this tastes and let me know if it's worth trying. But yeah, they have a sugar-free ketchup. And you know, I use his sugar-free sweet chili, and it tastes really good. But let me know if you guys have tried that. I tried the hot curry from this brand, and I finished it, and it tastes really good. So I'm going to give the mild curry one a try because I don't see the hot curry one. But this brand of curry actually tastes good, and I like mixing different curries. Don't ask me why, but I like doing it to get a full curry flavor with my curry chicken, and I'm going to try this one. So I found out that Bertolli is actually a great, I like to make my own Alfredo sauce, but I heard that this is pretty low carb, and I'm looking here and it says, yeah, 2 grams of carbs per quarter cup of this Alfredo sauce. So I'm gonna give it a try when I'm rushing dinner and I don't feel like making my own Alfredo sauce. I'll use this because this is actually not bad. I'm not a fan of beef broth. You guys already know that. So I'm gonna pick up a couple boxes of chicken broth as well. I think I told you guys about the pizza sauce here at Walmart and how affordable it is. And then when you look at the carb count, it's 4 grams of carbs and 1 gram of fiber. So that's 3 grams of carbs per quarter cup of this pizza sauce. And it's only $1. So that's really good. Just for a price comparison, let me show you the routes that everybody goes crazy over, because this is like the popular keto brand. Everybody claims this as the keto tomato sauce, right, for your pizza. It has the same amount of carbs. You see that there? And it's $4.48. Meanwhile, that's $1. So if you bougie, go ahead, go off, sis, go off. You guys know I put my diced tomatoes with green chilies in everything. So I'm gonna pick up 1 can because I think I have some at home already. I'm going to make some stuffed salmon, and I'm going to use some crab meat to do it. So I'm going to pick up a can of this. I'm not sure if I did a review on these, but I've been really liking these Duncan Hines keto-friendly cake cup thingies. And you see here, it has 5 gram net carbs, 0 added sugar, and 8 grams of protein. And yes, the ingredients are not so pretty. You have maltitol, which is not great. You know, allulose is the main source of sweetener, which is not too bad. But yeah, I don't eat this every night. It's a nice little treat, and I like how it tastes because it actually tastes like real cake. So yeah, I'm getting one of these. I'm on my last box of Stevia, so I'm going to pick up another box of these individual pockets of Stevia. So I'm not sure if I told you guys, I tried out the monk fruit sweetener, and it changes the consistency of my baked goods. So, I mean, I'll use it, I guess, but I'm not a fan. I'm running low on brown sugar swerve, and I want to make my coconut caramel apple crisp again because I have some chayote at home. So I'm going to pick up a pack of these. Now, I've been using cashew flour in place of almond flour, and y'all, it tastes so good. Like, if I have to choose between cashew flour and almond flour, it's cashew flour all day. That thing tastes good. Don't mind my ashy hands, but look at the carb count. So you have 5 grams of carbs, no fiber, and this is per 2 tablespoons. Let's compare it to the almond flour. The almond flour is 3 grams of carbs, 2 grams of fiber. So that's 1 gram of carbs per 3 tablespoons. Oh, so that's why almond flour is preferred, because it's lower carb. But boy, that cashew flour, it makes my food taste so creamy. My baked goods taste so creamy. I made some waffles with them. They taste so good. So yeah, this is what it's gonna be. So I've tried these sugar-free chocolate chips, or no sugar added chocolate chips, and they were alright. But I've also tried these, the Lily's chocolate salted caramel ones, and these are so good. I eat them with almonds, like as a little snack around that time, you know, ladies, that time. So yeah, I eat this with the almonds. The price is not bad, $5, and it tastes really good. So I'm going to try these butterscotch flavored ones and see how it tastes with my almonds as my little monthly snack. I like to chew gum in between meals, and this is my favorite type of gum, but I just want to show you guys, you have to be careful even with your gums, because each stick of gum here, if you look, each stick of gum has 2 grams of carbs. I'm still gonna buy it, but I'm just mindful of that. This is my favorite coffee creamer, the Nut Pods coffee creamer, and I get it in French vanilla. I've never tried the hazelnut, and I'm wondering if I should take that jump, that leap, my God, and try. I'm joking, but yeah, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try the hazelnut and see how it tastes. But I really love that French vanilla flavor. But let's see how the hazelnut goes. I'm running low on unsweetened almond milk, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick up 2 of these. And my kids like the vanilla one, so I'm gonna get the unsweetened vanilla almond milk. I've also been enjoying using this on like my baked goods, the sugar-free whipped heavy cream. So I'm gonna pick up another can of these. My daughter likes these sugar-free sparkling waters, and this is her favorite flavor, the cherry limeade. So I'm gonna get 2 of these, and I take a couple sips of them, but I don't drink whole bottles of them because, you know, the sucralose and all of that. But yeah, these are good. I use these big sugar-free juice mixes to make juices for my kids, and they actually like it. So I'm gonna use the strawberry watermelon and maybe one of the lemonades. A snack I've been enjoying having is like these blocks of cubed cheese with almonds, and it tastes really good. So I'm gonna pick up a pack of these. I like this sugar-free syrup. I don't eat syrup often, so this is what I get, and the kids eat it as well. I was stuck in a long line once, and I ended up trying these, and they're actually really good. These are turkey bites, almost like jerky, and it's 1 gram of carbs, 0 grams of fiber for 6 bites. So it's really good macros, and they taste good as a nice snack to keep in the car. So you know, when I'm driving, I come up with the strangest things in my head. But I just wanted to ask you guys, because shopping for me of late has been really stressful. Because when I shop, as you can see, I shop at more than one store, you know, depending on what I need. And after I'm finished shopping, I have to sanitize everything. So I was wondering, do you guys still sanitize your stuff the way you were sanitizing it when we first found out about Corona? Because I know when we first found out about Corona, we were wiping everything, like no games, rubbing down fruits. Are you guys still sanitizing your groceries, your fruits, everything the way you did when Corona first started? I personally am, but I will not judge you if you're not. So I want you to tell me down below in the comments, are you still sanitizing your groceries? Because I'm heading now to go sanitize my groceries, and just the thought of having to unpack everything, wipe everything down, spray everything down, clean off all the fruit, soak all the fruit, it's like a whole nother, that's gonna take a whole nother hour and a half of just prepping everything and then cleaning. And I was just wondering, is everybody still keeping that up? Because I know it can be stressful, and then there might be a temptation sometimes to just not do it, or not do it as well as we used to. And like I said, I'm not judging you if you're not, but I'm preparing myself mentally to go get all this sanitizing done. Yeah. So that was my little grocery haul for today. I think I might head home and head back out later for more groceries. If I do, I'll bring you guys along. But if I don't, thank you guys for joining me. If you have not subscribed yet and you watched this whole video and you got some keto ideas, you should hit that like button if you're not going to subscribe. But if you're going to subscribe, go ahead and hit that bell icon as well. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.